today I'll be majorly focusing on the energy sector. And before I begin with this next week's outlook, I would like to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you all have a very good evening. To begin with, I would be covering on crude oil. Crude oil trend has been very much volatile in the last few days, majorly due to lower industrial demand in the global markets. This is majorly due to coronavirus in China, which has led to the rising deaths on a daily basis and eventually led to slump in the industrial demand for crude oil. If you look at the American stockpiles and crude inventories, the American stockpiles and crude inventories has risen on a weekly basis, which is expected to bring pressure in the coming days. In addition to that, OPEC may come up with supply cuts. However, Russia is still not yet confirmed whether they are going ahead with the supply cuts or not. Overall, if you look at the global scenario, it indicates that the crude prices are estimated to remain bearish, and we are expecting that the prices to come down to rupees 3550 levels by the end of the next week. The second commodity that I would like to touch upon is on natural gas. Natural gas has been very much volatile in the last few days. However, there has been some lower base trading zones, majorly due to uneven weather conditions. Uneven weather condition has been witnessed in United States, which has led to lower demand for the natural gas, especially in the heater sectors. In addition to that, power sectors, the residential commercial sectors, as well as the industrial sector has witnessed lower demand, which is expected to keep the natural gas prices bearish in the coming week. If you look at the inventories has been declining on a weekly basis. This is majorly due to seasonal decline during the winter season. However, if you look at the US map, where based on the climate prediction center of the United States, you will actually find out that the warmer weather conditions are expected to be witnessed in the eastern regions, while the cooler temperatures are likely to be witnessed in some of the northern regions. Overall, the temperatures in United States are likely to be near normal, which is expected to bring the bearish trend in the natural gas prices. For the week ahead, I'm expecting that the natural gas prices to come down to 120 levels, and I would recommend sell on rice around 128 to 130 levels, which is a good selling levels for the downside target of 120 levels. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.